Hey, hi, welcome back to the second video in the series of data engineering for beginners. In this video, we'll try to create one Snowflake data warehouse free trial account in order to practice or continue learning our data warehousing concepts. So, in order to get started, go to your browser and search for Snowflake Free Trial. So, you can click on signup.snowflake.com. The reason why we chose Snowflake free trial is because Snowflake will offer $400 worth of credits without submitting any of our credit or debit cards. Please provide your details here. You can choose personal learning and development. I suggest you to select enterprise or higher version of the Snowflake free trial account because the features like multi-cluster warehouses and 90-day time travel. So better choose enterprise or the higher version which is business critical. And coming to the cloud provider, you can select any one of the three available cloud providers. I'm going with AWS. Ideal way to choose region is by selecting the one which is near to the users. Agree to the terms and conditions and you can skip this survey. And that's it. Now you can check your inbox for the activation link. Yeah, I have received the activation link. So you will find a click to activate button. Just click on that. Now it will navigate you to the setup page. Here we need to provide our username and password in order to log into the Snowflake data warehouse. So there are few guidelines in while setting up the password. It should be 14 to 256 character long. Follow all the conditions which were provided here while setting up your password. That's it. You can just get started. And for now, you can skip. This course will not give you more details on Snowflake data warehousing. We concentrate only on the data warehousing concepts in general, and we use Snowflake just as a data warehouse, and we won't go deep dive into any of its features. Once you are in Snowflake UI, you just need to click on the plus icon and select SQL file. Actually, Snowflake has two features. One is workspace and the other one is worksheet to interact with data using SQL. The one which you are seeing is workspace UI, where here we deal with .SQL files. The other one is worksheet. For you to practice anything is fine. I will show you both the ways. So before we go dive deep into the concepts of data warehousing, let's recap what has happened till now. So from our previous video, it is very clear that as our business grows, it becomes impossible to manage stock and to answer sales questions instantly using just a notebook or a single computer. And we concluded data warehouse is the solution. It is designed to store any volume of data and give us answers in seconds. And here our focus is mainly on two things. One is storage and the second one is retrieval of data. Coming to the storage, data warehouses use cloud providers like AWS or Azure or Google Cloud Platform in order to store their data. So there is no limit in storing any amount of data. And coming to the retrieval, we can configure the power of the machine from the Snowflake UI itself, and that is called as warehouse. Think warehouse like your actual CPU, so which is executing the code which you are writing to retrieve the data. Let me give an example. Consider yourself as an user. You want to get answers to the questions, so you will write SQL queries. These SQL queries will be executed by a warehouse and it will retrieve data from the storage and it will show you the results. So this is the overall flow, and we have a data warehouse and we have one warehouse. Let me show you that. The one which is available here, which is compute underscore wh, is the warehouse. It is the actual machine which is executing your code. Coming to the storage, Snowflake will manage it automatically, so we don't need to configure anything. So we are left with writing SQL queries. So don't waste any of our time. Let's get started with learning SQL.